Groupers are typically having a stout body and a large mouth. They are not built for long distance or fast swimming. They can be quite large in lengths over a meter, and the largest is the Atlantic Goliath grouper, weighed at 399 kilograms and a length of 2.43 meter. The 159 species of grouper that occur worldwide are extremely important ecologically, and many of them are important economically wherever they occur. They include many of the top-level predators in warm temperate and tropical ecosystems, associated with deep water and shallow hard-bottom reefs, following Pleistocene shorelines of the continental shelf and shelf edge. Their relationships with the places they live are so striking, in some cases, that they appear to be acting as keystone species and ecosystem engineers. Species which by their very presence or behaviors enhance the complexity of the habitat and thus the diversity of the communities within which they live. Groupers are long-lived. Some species live up to 50 or 60 years and may take 10 years to become sexually mature. Some grouper species form dense aggregations to breed, traveling from distant location to a specific location at a predictable time to spawn. Many grouper species have the ability to change gender. Smaller fish tend to start out as female but will switch to being a male at a certain size. They are important fish in coral reef ecosystems around the world because of their role in controlling populations sizes of other lower trophic level fishes. When we talk about the giant Goliath grouper, one of the largest of all the grouper fish, the giant grouper swims in warm, shallow water. It is one of the biggest bony fish that swim around the coral reefs. The giant grouper usually swims by itself and like to stay in the same area around coral reefs. It also swims in caves and near shipwrecks. As giant groupers are so big, they need to eat plenty of food. The giant grouper eats a range of food including small shark, fish, rays, and small sea turtle. Its main diet is crustaceans. This is the life cycle of the grouper, from drifting larval stage, as you could see, to juveniles, and to reef. Groupers are an important subsistence and commercial food fish. Their lean, white flesh is highly sought after for the restaurant trade and a menu favorite. These are some of the menu dish made from grouper. The smoky grouper with spinach, grouper with peas and saffron, red grouper with tomato braised fennel, and the Mallorcan braised grouper. Groupers are among the highest valued fish in fisheries globally, are crucial for food security in developing countries. The Goliath grouper is a spectacular example of a successful marine conservation. This vulnerable fish was pushed to the very brink of extinction, but was saved at the last minute by laws to protect them. Now, activists are trying to create awareness and save the species. The Goliath generates a lot of ecotourism from scuba divers.